going to kick things off this morning with a little fun look at how our sun angle is decreasing throughout the month of August. So today's angle is equal to that of May 9th. It's still a pretty steep angle, but by August, the end of August, it's equal to that of April 13th. So that sun, the angle is slowly lowering in the sky, and that limits the intensity of the angle, and we get less solar heating during the day, which slowly lowers our average daily temperature. It's just one of those ways that our slow descent into fall and winter continues. Now, in the short term, you want to get outside today, really nothing to worry about. Just absolutely great conditions over the next 5 days or so. A little bit of patchy morning fog today. By this afternoon, abundant sunshine. A hot and humid day across the entire tri-state here with little, if any, cloud cover filtering out the sun. So it'll be hot and humid if you're outside working today. Make sure you drink that water and have that light, loose-fitting clothing on. Otherwise, nothing to worry about even by tomorrow morning. We're also looking at very, very quiet conditions. So overall today, mid-90s. It'll feel like it's right around 100 degrees by the time you head home from work. The big weather story nationally, though, is Hurricane Debbie, expected to make landfall over the Big Bend area of Florida, transition back into a tropical storm, winds of 80 miles an hour or so. And the path of the storm takes it into the Carolinas by Tuesday. However, that's next Tuesday. It's going to take all week to slowly trundle its way up the eastern seaboard, and because of that, it's going to drop catastrophic amounts of rainfall along the Atlantic coast here. And I think some of these numbers are going to be underdone when all is said and done. It will be interesting to see what those final rainfall amounts look like from Debbie. We will see little, if any, impacts from Debbie in our neck of the woods. 90s today, quite muggy and warm tonight with temperatures right around average, upper 60s and lower 70s. And you look at the extended forecast, really nothing to worry about. Maybe some additional clouds on Wednesday as a cool front drops through, but I think it'll be a dry frontal passage. That will help to knock temperatures down a little bit by the second half of the week. But by the weekend, we are expecting to get a reinforcing shot of cold air from a stronger front that will roll through here. That will knock our high temperatures down into the lower 80s just in time for the weekend.